ये देखो thing ভালো চলে আছে
এয়ারপোর্ট পৌঁছতে वाला है फाइनल बुक कर दाओ Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and I am your host Tapasya Kumari, and hope you all have celebrated the Diwali very nicely, very safely. So today we came to the Nameri National Park, which is in Assam, and that is 35 kilometers far from the Tejpur town. So let's go there and we will enjoy. I'll show you how is that place and what things are available there in the terms of facility. So we just reached in half of our journey. Here I saw one botanical garden, small herbal garden. Let's go, we'll see there. Done. No, ho gaya. Friends, so we have reached to the Nameri National Park. We came here for the rafting, and per person there are different groups. So if you go there, just choose wisely which troop you wanna go, because every troop is having charging different prices. Like for us, first troop, they asked us to pay 850 per person for the rafting, but now another troop we got, they are charging 700 per person. So for this you have to be double vaccinated. So, and along with that double vaccination certificate, you should have that Aadhaar card or any government identity card. So here we are coming to pay charges. So this area comes under the forest department. This is also called Nameri Tiger Reserve and National Park because it is famous for the tigers. It is the second national park for the tiger reserve after the Manas Tiger Reserve in Assam.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight,
Now we will go to
boat. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So people, now we are going to the riverside area. So now we are going from the Nameri National Camp to riverside. Tell with me, lots of people are there.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
अरे
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
हमारी खड़ी गहरी के साथ
Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
So we are ready for doing rafting, but this water is very slant, silent water is there. No waves, nothing. Well done.
दीदी आगे में था थोड़ा हुआ पतला करके वहाँ में
यहाँ से कुछ नहीं होगा, यहाँ से गिरोगे तो कुछ नहीं। इसीलिए तो चप्पल। अरे तो मैंने सबको बोला तो बोलोगे रोप पकड़ लेना। अगर डर लग रहा है
We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. Against the world. We're the
मुझे क्या करे 1.5 घंटा सब है
If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. But when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just wanna. You're my dream, but I just want it.
I give you all my heart. We are meant to be. It's clear to see my love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. The others don't matter. My love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this. If it's soulmate, I wanna show my best friend. She saved my life, my happy end in hard times.
Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it.
People, this was the day we rafted on the river Kameng, and this water come from the Arunachal Pradesh. Though the water quality is not so good because of some polluted chemicals, so we didn't touch the water, but still we enjoyed.
blonde hair, blue eyes that'll make you.
Friends, this was the end of the day. We came here. It's like a picnic for us because we bought food. We prepared food from our home itself and we came here and we ate together. Now still people are arriving, those who came from the rafting, but this water is very much silent, so there was no much current in the water, so it was quite good. We don't need to change our dresses. So people, if you are coming to Nameri, you don't need to bring extra pair of dresses. If you are going to TP, then you can carry, because there you can took bath also. But this is the month of November, so you don't need to bring all those stuff. Bring food item, drinkable items, that's enough. So this was the day. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for liking my previous videos, and thank you for subscribing also. Keep watching it. Love from my heart. Thank you so much.